Are you tired for using raincoats to make you to get soaked? Are you tired for using books and folders to take refuge from the rain?
Oh my God!
All this has finished. Thanks to the new umbrellas Sunny Brand, the rain won't be your problem. These umbrellas are the in thing for rainy days. Rainy umbrellas are for you, and even for you. You can get these umbrellas in many colors and patterns.
Electric blue! Pink! Tan pink!
Silver.
And Turkish blue! Olive green! Dark blue! Yellow!
Electric green.
Extra verde!
Many shapes and size.
Big,
Medium! Small!
For all persons.
For children! For kids!
For anywhere and any moment.
In the morning! At night!
In the country.
In the city!
All the style.
Elegant! Funny!
for all of us, the rain is a way to be funny, because
We have a sunny rainy umbrella!
get it yours.
I'm happy again. I'm singing